Your objective in this exercise is to look for models that have been adapted for specific industry vertical or fine-tuned for specific industry task. The information on this exercise is available in the course guide under the section Fine-Tuning, exercise number 1, Domain Adapted Models. Here are the steps that you would follow to carry out this exercise. As a step 1, you would select a domain. It can be medical, finance, law, etc. Then you would look up for models on Hugging Face for the selected field. You would go through the model card to understand if the model is domain adapted or if it is fine-tuned on specific task. Now you would think of specific use cases that can leverage the selected model. If possible, use the widget to test out the model. And as a last step, check out the data sets that were used for the model fine-tuning. Although I'm asking you to use Hugging Face as your source of model information, feel free to check out other sources on Google. Once you have found an interesting model, share your findings with others in the course discussion forums. Here are some hints. At this time, I suggest that you pause the video and try out this exercise. Next, I'll show you some examples of domain adapted and fine-tuned models. Let's say my interest is in finance. So I would go to Hugging Face models page and look for models in the finance domain. These models are filtered on the domain now. Let me just pick most likes. And out of these most liked models, I found this particular model to be interesting. This model is a fine-tuned version of the Llama 2 7B model. It has been refined with a financial data set and it can be adapted for tasks involving comprehension and generating language with specific emphasis on financial context. So what that means is that this model can be further instruction fine-tuned for specific tasks. So here are some intended tasks: financial text generation, question answering, sentiment analysis, and information retrieval. Let me show you another interesting model. This particular model is an instruction fine-tuned model. It's a gated model, as you can see here. The base model used for it is Finbert, which is another financial domain adapted model. Here you will find that the model determines the financial topic of given tweets over 20 various topics. So this model is instruction fine-tuned for classification purposes. The dataset that has been used for this model is the zero-shot Twitter financial news topic. Let's take a quick look at it. So this is the dataset that was used for instruction fine-tuning this model. I've provided the links to these models in the course guide under the examples section. I hope you find some more interesting models and share with the student community here. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next lesson.